Our C-section label holders allow the label to slide in from the side of the holder and includes a clear PVC cover strip to keep the label clean. Label holders are available in magnetic and self-adhesive fixings. Magnetic holders are supplied in cut sizes from stock in 10 different heights, from 10mm up to 80mm high, and in various widths from 80mm up to 1 meter. They're also available in 5, 10 and 50-meter rolls, which can be easily cut to your required size. 70 and 80mm high holders are perfect for pallet racking beams. Magnetic offers the flexibility to quickly and easily change the position of the holder and are ideal for cold store environments. Although kept in stock in set sizes, they're manufactured in-house, so we can supply any set width up to 50 meters long. White self-adhesive holders are available in 15, 30 and 50mm high and in cut widths of 80mm or 1 meter long. The adhesive holders offer permanent fixings and are especially suited for retail, office, libraries, schools, and any environment where the labels need to be changed frequently. All label holders are supplied with white card inserts and a PVC cover strip. Pre-printed inserts can be supplied, which incorporate barcodes and location codes.